Alright, next I'm gonna attempt to do the window tint. Bought this off eBay. I think it was like $20 delivered. It's a 5% window tint, so it's pretty dark. It came with these tools as well. Squeegee, this tool, and blades. And you also need a spray bottle with some detergent, dishwasher detergent, clean cloth, and another blade. Alright, I'm just going to put you on the GoPro. So first of all, we've got to clean the window. So spray it down. Get the blade. And then just clean the window with this. Keep spraying as you go. That's pretty clean. Get a squeegee. Squeegee it dry. Now you do the inside. Razor. Alright, now we've got a clean surface to work with. So you come back out. Spray the outside. Then you get the tint. You got to check which side has the protective cover on. So yeah, the tint is on this side, and the outside is the protective clear. So what you want to do is have it this way. So the protective bit on the outside, just measure it up. Make sure this overlaps all the glass. Then with the blade, just cut it off. And then you want to line it up so that the bottom Just like that. And then you kind of want to just cut the top off. Doesn't have to be precise. All right. So just keep spraying it, and then I like to just mark it down past the rubber, and then with the squeegee, just spray the outside of the tint first, and then squeegee all the water out. Alright, and once that's done, you get the blade again. Just leave like a centimeter. Oops. Just go around. So this one, you just cut it onto the edge. Now what you want to do is take the protective layer off. And as you take it off, you got to spray it down. And then quickly give this another spray and clean, so there's no dust. Spray it down again, and then transfer this to this side. And then make sure you get this tool. Make sure it tucks underneath the rubber. And then also bring it down. Keep spraying it so that's easy to work with and it doesn't stick to the glass. All right, once that's in, we want to make sure this goes all the way down as well. And then just kind of push it down. Make sure it's all the way past the seal. It's probably better to take this door cover off, but just doing a quick job. Once that's done, all edges are good. You want to spray the outside. And then squeegee out. Then you get the cloth. Then you got to get all the water out from between the tint and the glass. Make sure you're working the tint outwards. And then usually I just let it dry for a bit. That way all the water goes out, dries out, and then you can stick it back on. Looked like there was some stuff in the tent, between the tent. Should be doing this inside on a not windy day, but it's just a quick tint job. 20 bucks, doesn't really bother me. All right. And then with the blade, you just start from one corner. And then work your way through. Just cutting it on the edge. Make sure you have a sharp blade. Bam. Get a cloth. Oop. Then you're done. Just gotta let that dry, and then there'll be a few spots which you can go over once it's dried. Oh fuck. I'll just leave this door open. Just gotta get all the water out. This whole side's going to be covered by the seal anyway, so just do the best you can. Yeah, that's done. $20 for the whole car. So the tint's pretty much done now. Can't see inside. Now we're going to change the headlights and probably do the wheels while we're at it, because we've got to lift the car up, take the front bar off, take the wheel off to get this headlight out. And then I've got some lowering springs for the rear, so we'll swap the wheels and the springs at the same time. Alright, now to do the headlights.